Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Odyssey, that generation here from year 2011 to year 2017. If you have one of those, you need to find the fuse for the rear blower motor fan, guys. Okay, the fan for the rear seat. Stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located. It could be two different fuses depending on the year, so we're going to share about each one of those. And we're going to explain where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys have a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 all the way to year 2017, guys, we will make a video about every single fuse, every relay. Why? Because in the manual sometimes it's not clear what the fuses relays are for. Okay, it could say something like FI. How do you know that this is the fuel injection, but actually it's for the fuel pump? So we're going to make video for every single fuse, every relay, because most of you will eventually even lose your manuals and they're not clearly written, guys. We're doing that to save you time and money. So if you need to find a fuse and you're down the road, let's say you need to find the engine starter fuse, all you have to do, just search for it. 1 second, the video pops out and you can find which fuse you need to check. Another thing now, guys, we're constantly working here at the garage on cars, constantly taking things apart, and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels, guys. Check it out if you need help with mechanical work, body work, anything like that, it will be there. Now, something else, guys. Relays, fuses, okay, they could be really expensive. You have special fuses, you can see, like the J-case fuses. You have mini blade fuses, multi-fuse box, okay, and these fuses could be really expensive. So guys, we're going to show you, those are Honda specific fuses that can be really hard to find, or they can cost you a lot of money. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping as well. So let's go ahead and continue now. So guys, right here we are going to demonstrate on a 2015 Honda Odyssey, okay, that we have right there. Fun fact, you have 5 different fuse boxes, but we will need to open the fuse box that's under the hood, guys. And under the hood you have 2 different fuse boxes. Main fuse box here, we don't need that one. We need that little bitty secondary fuse box right here, you can see that one there. So if we open the lid on that fuse box, you're going to see, okay, a fuse box layout that looks just like this one. Now before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, unfortunately now, okay, we'll be working in these special fuses, okay, right here. You can see they consist of up to 8 different fuses on the inside. If you remove one of them, they look just like this one, okay, that's on top. That's, guys, okay, through the glass, 8 individual fuses here. If one of them burns, you have to replace the whole set of fuse, that multi-block fuse. Now, good news, guys, we'll put the link where you can get them at a good price. But the fuse that we need to check for the rear blower motor fan, depending on the year, guys, 2011, 12 and 13. If you come in that fuse right here, it will be fuse number 1, 2, 3. It will be that 3rd fuse right here. If you have year 2014, 15, 16, 17, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be the 6th fuse in a row, guys, that you will need to, okay, you will need to check. Let me see where the thing go. Okay, so I can zoom in a little bit. So fuse number 6 will need to be checked, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or earlier generation 1, 2, 3, 3rd one. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.